Hey Cybertruck fans, what's up? What's up? So here with another update video for you guys. No, I don't have the Cybertruck back as yet, but hey, we're getting there. I just wanted to come on here real quick and say big shout out to the Tesla service team here in Raleigh, North Carolina. These guys are working day and night just to make sure they can get back my truck to me, and it's good. So stuff happens, like I said, getting into the Cybertruck, I knew as a first generation vehicle there would be issues, but I didn't expect it to have back-to-back issues like this, like not even a weekend issues where I have to it's basically stuck in service at this point. But like I said, stuff happens and we just got to work through it together. So it is what it is. There's a lot of hate online, people just hating Tesla, they hate EVs. There's nothing you can do to please these people, man. I'm telling you. I don't know if they're stuck in a basement somewhere just eating chips or whatever, but hey, if Tesla does good or if Tesla does bad, they will always hate, no matter what. It is just what it is. Everybody has their own views, and I have my own views. It is what it is. People hate Elon Musk for whatever. Hey, I don't have anything against the guy. He's doing a great job. He makes a lot of cool stuff, man. Who else is doing stuff that Tesla is doing right now? Nobody. No other automakers is on the level that Tesla is on where it comes to software and like just EVs in general. Tesla is the one. Hey, I got everything in Tesla, and I'll continue to support the brand Tesla. The only person or the only people that can, ruin my relationship with Tesla is going to be Tesla themselves and how they choose to resolve this issue. You get what I'm saying? So there's no bad blood. There's nothing anywhere. I'm still supporting the brand, just patiently waiting to get my Cybertruck back. People are saying, man, you should be pissed off. You should, making a whole scene and blah, 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 going there. No. I need to go there and act like a crazy person. That's not me. I'm just here being patient, giving the engineering team and the tech team there in the service center, the time they need to get this right. Because, I truly support the company. I love the Cybertruck for what it is. I bought it for myself. I didn't buy it for the haters, so they can talk all they want. I enjoy this truck, and I'm going to continue to enjoy this truck. But it's just frustrating that it's, in service for more than I've had it. I basically took delivery like 2 months now, and I've only driven it like barely 2 weeks, and it's been stuck in service center back and forth ever since. So, while it's frustrating, I still have to be patient and, just hope that they can make this right. I told them, hey, I want a replacement truck under the Lemon Law. We're going to see, how that goes, or maybe if they're able to fix my truck, and it's perfectly fixed, then we can see how that goes. But I just have to see how this all plays out. I can't come on here and just spread hate. Oh, don't do this with Tesla, blah, blah, blah. No, everybody's been communicating with me back and forth in a timely manner. They're keeping me updated on everything, and I truly appreciate that. So, only person that can ruin my relationship with Tesla is Tesla themselves, not the haters. I support this brand. And my Model Y is doing pretty good, and I'll continue to recommend people to buy that car because it's one of the best entry-level cars that you can get in right now in an EV. So that's the update for today. I'll keep you guys posted if I hear anything new from Tesla. So go ahead and follow me and stay tuned. Peace out.